Hello everyone. In the previous video we managed to get the snake working, and now we are going to get rid of these artifacts from here. This happens because when rendering the GPU, it's also rendering and scaling. This is also rendering part of the next pixel from here. So those artifacts are them. To avoid them, we can create a special tile sets that are duplicating the pixels from the borders to avoid those issues. So let's use tile set from bitmaps. From bitmaps, and now we have this overload from bitmap slices, and then we are going to use the slice split in rows. This split in rows is going to do something similar to what the tileset was doing. So this is going to create with index. So now we are going to create image with this tile in the position. Okay, so here we have the tiles. As you can see, we have the artifacts from here, and those are the tiles. But we want to create that special tile set that is creating borders for its tile. So that happens with this method from here. Here we have to provide the tile width and then we have to provide those individual tiles. Those individual tiles are these ones that I have created, as you can see here. And also this requires a bitmap 32. So here we have to convert to a bitmap 32 if required. And here is our new tile set. This tile set is, let me see if we can render the base. As you can see, so you can see the difference. The difference is not well appreciated, but if I create a border 10, border 10 is not supported, it seems. Border 2 is supported, I don't know why, but border 3, maybe you can't appreciate it because there are many artifacts. But now maybe here you can see that this is like growing. It's creating tile with borders. With this implemented, now we shouldn't have the artifacts. As you can see, now when rendering those specific tiles, we don't have the artifact. Let me recover this one. And now we are going to render those tiles. As you can see here, there are the artifacts. Let me remove the rest of the method. Here we have the artifacts from here. Because we are using the tiles from here. But if we use the tiles from the tile set that has created the border, index. As you can see, the artifacts are gone because we are using those other slices. So this is one way of fixing this issue. There is another way that is, let me restore the previous, or let's use border 0 here, border 0. Here we have the artifacts here again, and now we are going to solve this differently. To do that, we are going to use a different kind of a scene that is going to be a pixelated scene. The pixelated scene that, let's use 32 by and scene smoothing to true. As you can see here, now we don't have the artifacts anymore either. And that's because this pixelated scene is rendering the scene. It's creating like a container of this size, of the size I wanted, and it's rendering to that scale, without the scaling, and then it's rendering to a texture, and then when the scene is rendered, it's scaling that texture. We can make it pixelated by here. We are not going to let's reduce the size of this scene, and let's also change the position of this 6.5 and 6.6, so you can see it. So this is with the scene smoothing to false, and this is with the scene smoothing to true. So this is pixelated and this is smooth. Depending on the effect we want to achieve, we could have this for old looking games. We would use this, and for newer kind of games, maybe we could do something like this. But in any case, let's use it like this. And now I'm going to stop, and I will continue in the next video. So in the next video, we are going to see how to implement the game itself like this. And then we will use this tile pattern matching to hugely simplify this code. Okay, so see you in the next video.